Room 32 is the northwest corner of the third floor. It's a single room king with a dedicated lounge and workspace, leather armchairs, and an antique secretary desk. Same floor as room 30. Completely different rooms. The story I picked for room 32 was the governess's room. Not grand, not performative. The room at the top of the house that belongs to someone trusted, thoughtful, and slightly apart from the main house's social orbit. The sloped ceilings aren't a quirk. They're the proof that the space was remade with intention from something that used to be spare and functional. Unusual proportions aren't a limitation. They're what makes the room feel like it was found rather than built. The dormer window looks down onto the back garden and the vine-covered ruins of the back gardens. Old stone, scrambling vines. In spring they flower. Many guests stay here and miss this view. And yet it's one that makes people go quiet for a second. Room 32 is for two kinds of guests, and they often don't know which one they are until they're already there. The first is couples on a quiet escape, not the big romantic gesture trip, the trip where you want to exist somewhere beautiful without narrating it for anyone. Two people who know how to be in a room together will feel it immediately. The second is the reflective solo traveler, the writer, the person who needs to decompress. The secretary desk, the northwest light, the garden below, the leather chairs. This room landed exactly right for that guest. I picture the guest who arrives, drops their bag, opens the dormer window, hears the garden below, and doesn't check their phone for the rest of the afternoon. If you're deciding between rooms, this is the one people come back for. Room 32 is the room you book to disappear into.